We'll start on the daily time frame. Again, right? It's giving you guys these buy points. This is when you want to buy back into the markets. It's literally calling the local bottoms, guys, to AT. You cannot make this stuff up, guys. EzAlgo V.15 is now live. This is one of my favorite updates today. Now, I know I say that literally every single update, but we have drastically improved the AI reversal buy and sell signals in this update, along with some other minor changes. But mainly in this video, I want to go over the new AI reversal signals. Now, these signals are literally as accurate as can be. You can see for yourself here on the chart. This is on ETH on a 12-hour time frame. The AI buy signals are these blue and these gray triangles. Obviously, the blue are going to be for long, and then these gray triangles are going to be the AI sell signal. So we have improved these signals, increased their accuracy, and also mitigated a lot of the false signals using Confluence with the Easy Oscillator down here. But because we're going to go over just the V15, I'm going to turn off the oscillator for this video. I'm mainly going to cover the buy and sell signals in this video. I've gone over all the other EzAlgo inputs in other videos, but I mainly want to cover these signals and how to use, because I don't think you guys understand how powerful these signals really are, especially on a higher time frame. So if we look at ETH here on the 12-hour time frame, you can see that these signals have been on point pretty much 90% of the time. Now, the only caveat are going to be these sell signals here, right? When you are in a bull market, you don't want to take profit at these sell signals. And because we're in a bull market, we only want to show the bullish signals. So here's where we can turn on the bull signals as the signal type. And this is where you want to buy back into the market, guys, and start dollar cost averaging in some of your altcoins, really the daily time frame. These signals were designed for Bitcoin and ETH on the daily time frame. So again, every time we get one of these bull signals here on ETH, I mean, it literally called the exact bottom when ETH was under $1,000, and even still, right, calling more bottoms. Now, in the last update, we actually had less signals, so we've increased the frequency of these signals, and we've also made them more accurate by adding the oscillator Confluence. So if the oscillator is at or near the middle line, it won't show these signals. So it will only show these buy signals when the Easy Oscillator is approaching that oversold zone, and vice versa for the AI sell signals. It will only show those sell signals when the oscillator is approaching that overbought zone. So that really helped to mitigate a lot of the false signals in the previous update. So that has drastically increased the accuracy. We've also tweaked the settings a little bit to make them a little bit more accurate. But again, you can see here on the daily time frame, it's giving you guys these signals when ETH is at the bottom. So when you're trying to find an entry, when should I enter the market? This is when you want to enter the market. Start DCAing when you see some of these higher time frame AI reversal buy signals. Again, right, calls them right here. This was back in January of earlier this year, before this huge run up. And even recently, hence why I'm still bullish on Ethereum, is because we just got those buy signals recently here on Ethereum, and we are at a very crucial support level, right? Very crucial support level. So if I had to bet, I'd say that price is most likely going to go up from here, which is why I've started accumulating some altcoins again. All right, let's take a look at Bitcoin now. We'll start on the daily time frame. Again, right, it's giving you guys these buy points. This is when you want to buy back into the markets. And again, we had just gotten that buy signal there on the daily time frame. If we go back, again, it's literally calling the local bottoms, guys, to AT. You cannot make this stuff up, guys, right? You can clearly see it for yourself. These signals are real time. They're non-repaint. They're showing you when to get into the market. And we will turn on all signals and go down to a lower time frame. So you can actually use these signals on a lower time frame as well, in Confluence with key levels, the auto golden pocket, the other EzAlgo Confluences that we have. For example, I'm here on the 1 hour time frame. I can see that Bitcoin was approaching the support zone. We started to get those AI reversal buy signals, and then we get that mild buy signal. See that the Easy Oscillator is also in that oversold zone. Volume is curling to the upside, and then the volume flips right here on this candle, and Bitcoin goes up. Then we get some AI reversal sell signals. That tells you to take profit on the longs. Oscillator gives that sell dot, price goes down. This is one of the setups in the Discord as well that I called. I said that we had swept that high. We saw that swing failure pattern, bearish divergence, and the algo is flashing these AI sell signals, which is another take profit for longs or a potential short entry. So you can use these signals on any time frame. Keep in mind, like I said, they were designed for a higher time frame, so helping you guys get back into the market. But here you can see on a 30-minute time frame as well, it's calling the local tops and bottoms, and this is real time. I'm not going back and showing you previous price action. I'm literally showing you guys price action right now. This is what it's doing. All right, if we go down to a 15-minute time frame, again, right, we're getting those sell signals near the top, buy signals near the bottom. right? Buy signals, sell signals. Now looking at Solana on the daily time frame, in the past update, we only had like 1 or 2 signals here. In the new update, we've added more of these signals like I mentioned. So you can clearly see we're getting buy signals, price goes up, more buy signals recently. So when you're using these signals on a lower time frame, you don't want to use these by themselves. You want to use them in confluence with the other EzAlgo inputs like I had mentioned. However, when you're using these signals on a higher time frame, now this goes against a lot of my trading rules, but I'm very confident in the algo that I've developed over the years. So I'm confident saying this. You can strictly use these signals on a daily plus time frame to help you get in and get out of the market, mainly to help you buy back in, because we're in crypto for the long term. So yes, we want to eventually take profits, but we know crypto is going up in the long term. So we want to use these signals to help find entries when price is low. And that's when I showed you back during the bear markets when price was low and the algo is flashing those buy signals. That's when you want to get in. So you want to use these signals to help you buy back into the markets. And this works very well for altcoins as well, because if you see a buy signal flashed on Bitcoin on the daily time frame, you understand, okay, if this is a local bottom for Bitcoin, I understand that altcoins are going to be bottomed out here as well, and that the multiples are going to be much larger with altcoins. So if I see that I have a 1-day buy signal on Bitcoin, that is when I can look to accumulate altcoins as well. Now, if you go into the settings here, there are 4 modes on the reversal signals. We have all signals, bull, bear, trend, and accumulation. So trend is pretty self-explanatory. When price is in an uptrend or a downtrend, it will only flash those bull or bear signals. So as you can see here, we're in a downtrend, so it's flashing those sell signals. If price is in a very clear uptrend, like around here, then you can definitely turn on the trend mode. But for example, when price is in a downtrend here, you're not getting any of the buy signals when price is at the bottom. So you wouldn't want to use trend in that case. And we also have the accumulation mode. Now I've already made a video on the accumulation mode, but the accumulation mode is what I mentioned earlier, where it helps you buy back into the market. So it will only show the buy signals when price is near a bottom. So looking at Solana, right, we had an accumulation buy here, October of 2022, June of 2023. So, Solana is literally at the bottom, and the last one was January of earlier this year. So this will help you buy back into the markets, right? Just using accumulation mode. If we take a look at Ethereum on the daily time frame as well, right? Again, it's showing you guys these buy signals when price is approaching the bottom. So this is when you want to start dollar cost averaging back into the market. And if we look at Bitcoin using the accumulation mode, giving you guys these buys when price is at or near the bottom. And we recently just got another accumulation buy signal, which is why I said I think that this point in the cycle is the mid-cycle reaccumulation before the next leg up. And the algorithm is also confirming that by giving us these accumulation buy signals here as prices in the middle of the cycle. So I'm still bullish on crypto currently based on my algo signals. So that's pretty much it for this new update. There wasn't a whole lot besides a few minor glitch fixes and updating these signals, but definitely one of my favorite updates. You guys need to try this algorithm out for yourself. If you don't have it already, make sure to click the first link in the description below. I have not seen an algorithm this accurate when it comes to strictly buy and sell signals. That's it for this video. If you guys have enjoyed, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel if you aren't subscribed already, and I'll see you guys next video.